Hey guys, welcome to the JeepSolid Garage. So I'm super excited to share this with you, something I've wanted to do for years. We're going on some new adventures. Yes, I bought a dirt bike. This is gonna be so much fun. We're gonna go on some great adventures. We're gonna take the Jeep out. I've got a great rack that I can haul this with. Let me show you guys real quick. So this is a 2019 Honda CRF 250, and I've wanted a dirt bike for many, many years. I had gone riding years and years ago, honestly, a few decades ago. It's the last time I went riding, and I just never really had an opportunity to get back into it, but now I do. So this is a nice, easy little rack that'll be great for carrying it with my Jeep. That is going to be a great setup. But just a couple more things we got to do before we're ready to go out. Let's go find an adventure. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. This is my first real ride in, gosh, like 20 years. I had been riding before and it was so much fun, and I really remember that. And yeah, if you haven't ridden before, it really is. It's a fun adventure. So I'm excited to get out here and to the great Pacific Northwest and do some exploring. So this will be a fun trip. So our adventure starts off heading down the road up into the mountains of the Siskiyou National Forest here in southern Oregon. We're climbing up to Johns Peak, which has just some beautiful views with an elevation of 2,000 feet up to 4,300 feet. We actually get up high enough that we're starting to get into some snow and some slick conditions, so being real careful right through this area. And as a novice rider, this was really technical for me. The guys I'm with are extremely skilled. They are much, much better than I am. So I'm just following along, trying to keep up with them, but still having a great time. It's a great feeling riding through the trees, the forest here, just enjoying getting outside into the beautiful sun, enjoying the scenery and the greenery out there. And the views can be just amazing. Yeah, we're up here at some pretty high elevation. We must be close to 4,000 feet right here. But yeah, look at the forest. That is just a beautiful view. I did lay it down once and wrecked once. I didn't get it on camera, but trust me, I wrecked. Alright, so that was a lot of fun. I didn't die, and we will do it again. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.